I'd like to talk a little bit about security. We've been heavily investing with security in our platform for many years now. And in 12.1 is really the highlight of that, with many features like inline malware detection, right, suspicious file system activity analysis, and so on. But yes, that slide shows that we already have many features and capabilities. Of course, we're building more. However, instead of talking about this, I want to talk about security of Vim Data Platform itself, right? Because it's never just about features and functionality when you're looking to have a secure product. So we've been working hard there as well, outside of R&D, and we did things like we tripled in the past years our application security QA team. So we have now dozens upon dozens of people who are doing nothing but looking at the source code and looking for vulnerabilities there, right? But not only internally, we also introduced bug bounty program to interest external researchers to look at our products and report vulnerabilities to us. Next, we really improved our vulnerability documentation and communication, and that's actually governed by our Chief Information Security Officers team. So it's even separated as an activity from R&D to add certain checks and balances, right? So only going to get better. And finally, most recently, we signed the Secure by Design pledge from the CISA, which is basically US Cyber Defense Agency. And I can tell it really impacts how we're thinking about the user experience and some features when we're building them for the next major releases. So it already has a meaningful impact on our R&D.